Hello viewers, in this video I will compare Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and iPad 10th generation on 3 points. I will talk mainly about the display performance and also long-term reading experience on both of these tablets. After that I will talk about the note-taking experience on both of these tablets. Many students actually want to know which tablet they should buy. So in this video you will have a clear idea about the performance of these two tablets. If you compare side by side, these two tablets will feel brighter, but I would say that iPad 10th generation is more vibrant than the display of Tab S9 FE Plus. I am testing both of these devices under direct sunlight. If you use only one tablet at a time and there is no option of comparison, you will not feel any difference. But if you compare them side by side, you can see that iPad 10th generation is brighter. On the other hand, Tab S9 FE Plus produces little bit cooler tone and iPad 10th generation produces little bit warmer tone. iPad 10th generation can handle 4K 60 FPS with ease. First of all, I will play both of these devices in 1080p 60 FPS. As you can see here, both the tablet can handle 1080p 60 FPS videos. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus can perform HDR videos or play HDR videos. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation can play non-HDR video. It will be played in non-HDR mode if you click on HDR videos, and if you click on 4K 60 FPS, you can see that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus will stutter and lag, as you can see here. Plus, both the devices are connected to the same network, so you can see here that Tab S9 FE Plus could not connect to the network properly, or there might be some internal issues. But on the iPad 10th generation, there is no issue, and network catching capability on iPad 10th generation is excellent. So if you buy Tab S9 FE Plus, you have to play videos on 1080p 60 FPS maximum to get the best results out of your tablet. But in iPad 10th generation, there is no such issue. You can play 4K 60 FPS videos. Now if I go into the settings of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, there are many options in the display. Many users actually want to know about the eye comfort level. You can see here you can adjust eye comfort seal, and also there are two display mode, vivid and natural. Vivid looks very good, but if you want to save your eyes, you should switch to natural. While reading anything, I had no problem. And if you go into the settings of iPad 10th generation and then into the display section, you can see that there is no option of changing the color tone. However, you can use night shift, that is actually eye comfort seal, and here you can adjust or you can manually enable this, and there are options of increasing and decreasing warmer tone. You can adjust the warmer tone as per your preference. So it is also very good while reading anything on this display. Plus, there is an option of true tone feature into the settings. It will automatically change the color of the display as per the environment. So this is also a very good feature. So if you compare side by side these two tablets, I think iPad 10th generation has better management of screen. If you are a student, you have to use browser very often, so you can use Samsung own browser, and if you search anything, you can turn it into any text mode, and also reading experience on Tab S9 FE Plus is equally good. Let me show you. Suppose you want to read this only article and there is advertisement which you want to skip, so you have to click on reader mode. It will take the text into a reading page. Here you can adjust the color and also you can adjust the size of the font. So this is a very good feature. Okay, you can use your color or the text size as per your requirement. Now if you have iPad 10th generation, in that case you have to open Safari, and I will open the same page. As you can see here, now you can go into the reader mode by clicking on this icon. It will be opened in a reading mode, and then you can adjust various things compared to Tab S9 FE Plus. You can adjust the color of the screen. Also, you can listen to the page, and if you want to change the font style, you can do that. There are many font styles as you can see here, and if you want to change the size of the font, you can do that. So I think it has more features than Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. However, the reading experience is equally good on both the tablets. You can spend longer hours while reading text on both of these devices. Now I will talk about the most important features for a student, that is note taking experience. With iPad 10th generation, you have to buy iPencil or third party pencil separately. I have bought this Kingone pencil from Amazon.in, and it is giving me a very good experience while writing anything on iPad 10th generation. As there is a gap between the main glass and the display, you will feel the hollow sound while tapping on the screen, and also there is little bit of latency if you compare it side by side with Tab S9 FE Plus. If you use the default Apple Note app, there are many features as you can see here, various pen style that you can use while writing anything or drawing anything on this Note app. I have made dedicated videos on note taking experience on iPad 10th generation and also about Tab S9 FE Plus note taking experience. So if you want to watch those videos, links are in the description below. On the other hand, there is a plus point with Tab S9 FE Plus. You will get S Pen in the box free of cost. So if you are a student and you don't want to spend any other amount with the accessories, in that case this might be a great offer for you. And also the Note app of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is better than iPad 10th generations. However, with recent update, iPad is also performing better in terms of note taking experience. But you will have great experience of writing on Tab S9 FE Plus as the screen size is 12.4 inches. So you will get a great area for writing, and the S Pen performs better than any other third-party iPencil or even iPencil. So it might be personal preference. Some users actually like the writing experience on iPad 10th generation, and some like the writing experience on Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you ask me, I like writing on Tab S9 FE Plus more because the latency is very less, and also it gives a very good feeling while writing anything on the screen. So in the conclusion, which tablet should you pick? I have cleared all the things regarding display, reading experience and writing experience. Now you have to make your choice. You have to look first your priorities and requirements, and then you can decide which tablet is best for you. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet do you like or you are preparing to buy. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.